How to make a frequency distribution, the first step in making a frequency histogram. The frequency distribution is nothing more than a table, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a set of data, and our set of data will be the following numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 17. Okay. Keys to making a frequency distribution are: the first class and last class cannot be empty, and you want your class widths to be the same. The way you get your class width is you take your largest number and you subtract your smallest number. That's called the range, by the way. And you divide by a number that's between 5 and 20. That's going to be your number of classes. We always are dealing with small sets, so really just pick 5 or 6. So here's our number 5. When we divide that, we get 16 over 5, or 3.2. And remember that I said your first class and last class can't be empty. So if I make my frequency distribution and I use 3.2 as the number for the class width, we start with our lowest number, 1, and we add our class width onto it. So we add 1 and we get 3.2 to it. So our next lower class boundary will be 4.2. Our next one after that is 7.4. Our next one after that is 10.6. Our next one after that is 13.8. Now, our upper class boundaries are always a dash less than this next number up. So this is going to be 1 to 4.1. Forgive me, I'm writing upside down, so it's not so easy. 4.2 to 7.3, 7.4 to 10.5, 10.6 to 13.7, and then 13.8 to 16.9. Well, right there is the largest number up. I can't add another class because I chose 5 as my number of classes. So what I have to do is change my class width from 3.2, and I need to round up to 4. Always round up. It avoids the whole problem of ending up with an empty last class. So we're going to round 3.2 up to 4, and our values then become 1, 5, 9, 13, and 17. These are our lower class boundaries, and they're up by 4, that number 4 that we got over here. Then you just take 5 minus 1 and you have 4, so the numbers 1 to 4 go in there, and then I just continue to add on 4. So I have 8, I have 12, these are my upper class, I have 16, and then I have 7 to 20. And the last class and the first class are not empty. Now I do a little tally. So this is my class, CL. I'm trying to write upside down again. So here's my class, and then this is my frequency, and I just use F to indicate frequency. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, there's 4 of them that go in there. 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 4 of them that go in there. And then 9 goes in there. There's none for 13 to 16, and there's 1 for 17 to 20. That right there is our frequency distribution.